Hey girl, hope your day is going well. Today's video is another day in the life.
My smile is beaming, my skin is gleaming.
I have been pretty productive today so far. I still have a ton of things to do today. I need to clean, I have to cook. I want to make a really nice pineapple recipe, which I'll show you guys. Hopefully it turns out good. I also want to make like virgin pina coladas and make it like a nice summery tropical day because it's actually really nice today. It's currently 76 degrees outside, but it's going to be 83. It's so crazy. I cannot believe it. I'm gonna use my camera's viewfinder as my mirror while I put this sunscreen on. I am putting on a little bit of sunscreen because I need to go outside to get something in about 20 minutes or so. I am so excited for this weather. Right now, I'm about to edit this video that needs to go up today. I really want it to go up today, so I'm gonna try editing this in like 15 minutes. I just got a little ready, you guys. I'm wearing this top, which is really nice. It's from this online store called Vici, and I love the way it fits. It's actually really nice outside. I'm sorry my car is probably really loud because I have the AC on. I can't believe how beautiful. It's a beautiful day, guys. I'm actually running a little bit behind schedule. I wanted to be doing this an hour ago, but it's okay. My video took a little bit longer to edit than I thought it would. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, FedEx is here. Hi, FedEx. Hope you stop at my house later. I'm gonna go into the store. I cannot take y'all with me because that would be doing too much. So I'm just gonna run in with my mask. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm back home and I just laid out all the ingredients I'm gonna need for the meal. I do have 3 pineapples. I just put one out so you guys can see. I have a red bell pepper. I have some cut up vegetables that I bought already cut because I be lazy. I also have some chopped garlic. You can get the fresh garlic if you want. Sometimes I get it like this. I got some sesame PF Chang sauce. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that yet, but I think I will. Y'all, I realized I had no rice in the house. It was supposed to be like for emergencies, like if I'm in a hurry, but I have no rice, so I have to use these today. For seasonings, I use paprika, this chicken from Grace seasoning. This is like Caribbean stuff. Garlic powder. I might use Maggi, I'm not sure, but this is also like a Caribbean type of seasoning thing. I have some salt, which is almost empty. Some black pepper. This is pineapple chunk in pineapple juice, so I'm gonna include this in the sauce for sure because it's a pineapple chicken. This is like a cheap day type of meal. So I just chopped up the chicken as y'all saw. This is all chicken breast meat, and I'm gonna add in this green seasoning that I made. This is a bunch of greens, like this has scallions, onions, ginger, garlic, and a green pepper all blended together. This is how much I put in there. The chicken is gonna look green, but it's gonna taste amazing. So first I'm gonna add paprika, and I'm just gonna put a good amount in here. I do like this much. Then we're gonna add some garlic powder, which I need more. I do need more of this. And I'm gonna mix this up. And then I'm gonna add some of the chicken. Then we're gonna add some of the chicken seasoning. I'm gonna let that sit for some time. I'm gonna add some olive oil to this pot and also some sugar to make some browning for the chicken because I want it to be a brown color. Add some brown sugar to that. I'm gonna let this sit and get brown. So I'm gonna add the chicken to this right now. I just chopped up the red pepper. I emptied out the juice from this pineapple can and I put it in this bowl because it's going to go in at a separate time. This is what the chicken looks like, and I'm going to add in the pineapple and the peppers now. The rice is finished. This is the rice, pineapple, chicken all mixed together. This is gonna taste beautiful, y'all. Now I'm gonna try to cut open these pineapples, which is the scariest part for me. So I'm gonna lay it flat like this and then try to slice it this way. I did it, y'all. I cut it half open. I'm so proud of myself. I was scared to do this. So yeah, I cut it half open, and now we have to like cut the inside into 4 and then scoop out the rest of what's in here. So that's what I'm about to do right now.
I fixed it a couple times. I'm doing like both of them at the same time so you could like see mommy and then taking out the stuff and putting her in the bowl also.
The red dot is on, right?
Huh?
The red dot is on, right?
I see a red dot on the top. What happens if it's gone?
It's not recording.
And if it's not recording, you can't. The video will be ruined, and you'll have to start all over. And you don't want that, do you? And this is very dangerous. Yeah, that's a knife. Cut a knife and cut grown-ups and kids if the grown-up doesn't be careful. Pineapple. Getting the pineapple.
This is our cut open pineapple. This is a lot of work, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna do all 6 of these. Then we're gonna eat our food out of here. Johnny's helping now because it was really hard. My hands were hurting, so he's scooping out some of these pineapples for us.
You can't touch it.
So we're outside. We brought everything outside. So we're outside. I brought everything out, and we have everything out here. I'm hoping it doesn't rain. There's like rain clouds in the sky. Hopefully it does not rain.
Ribs and mashed potatoes. How to remember this meal. Yeah, this is.
Fancy.
What did you use for this? You remember? Well, I used my own fork here. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. It's another day. I just wanted to continue this video because it was a little bit short, I guess, and like nothing really happened. I'm having some coffee. This is my little coffee mug, coffee before talkie. I'm gonna go open up a package from Mercier and I'll show you guys what's in there. It's really pretty nice outside, so I think I'm gonna open up that package outside. But today I just have to do a lot of work for my main job, and then I also, after that, need to do a little bit of groceries. All right, so we're sitting outside. I'm with Callie. I'm under this tree. It's really nice. Under this tree right here.
I'm under the sea.
Beautiful. This is Callie.
Though.
This is from Mercier. I'm gonna just open this up.
Mommy has tea. Be very careful with that, Mommy. Very super duper.
So they're here. I wonder what's in here. All right, y'all, so let's see what's in here. This is, ooh, usually it's white in here, so this is nice and sleek. Okay, so they have this little booklet. Usually this gives away what's in the package. Ooh, she's gorgeous. Doing this with one hand is definitely a challenge. Okay, so they sent, so this is one of their face illuminators in the shade Addiction. I love a glow. We love glow. They also sent a fan powder brush. I do like that brush a lot. They also sent a flat eyeliner brush. I love these, you guys. These are perfect for my waterline. And then this little pouch. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh, another primer. Yes. Okay, so they sent another primer. This is the hydrating primer. This one is really good if you have normal oily skin even and dry skin, because it's hydrated and it's gonna add hydration. If you want to control your T-zone with a mattifying primer and then use this everywhere else, it works really well. And they also sent another puff. I love these puffs. I use them all the time. And then another powder. This is the This is the regular translucent powder in medium deep, which I live by this powder. They also sent a tightline cake eyeliner. I've never tried this before, so I'm going to open this up. This is an under eye brightening powder in a deeper shade, so a medium deep shade. So I'm going to open this one because I've never tried it before. It looks really dark, which is good. I love a nice dark eyeshadow that I can use for eyeliner. This is Addiction. This is a nice, beautiful shade that's going to work for deeper skin tones. Wow, I love it. This is what the brush looks like, you guys. Is it focused? Yeah. So this is what it looks like. I love these brushes for my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Mercier, for sending this beautiful package. I love it. Alright guys, so I forgot to end the vlog, but I'm going to end it right here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!